Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B1352 indicates a specific issue related to the power tailgate control unit in the 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey. This diagnostic trouble code points to an internal error within the control unit, specifically related to the electrically erasable programmable read-only memory, commonly referred to as EEPROM. The EEPROM is essential for storing important settings and operational parameters for the tailgate system. Upon detecting this error, diagnostic steps must be taken to determine the root cause and ensure the power tailgate is functioning correctly. The effectiveness of the tailgate operation directly impacts user convenience, and failure to address this issue could lead to further complications if ignored. Understanding the components involved, their functions, and locations within the vehicle is critical for successful troubleshooting. The power tailgate control unit is the primary component affected by DTC B1352. This control unit is responsible for the operation of the tailgate's opening and closing mechanism. It utilizes electrically erasable programmable read-only memory, or EEPROM, to store essential settings. The control unit is typically located within the rear of the Honda Odyssey, near the tailgate assembly for optimal communication with the tailgate motor and sensors. If this unit fails internally due to an EEPROM error, it disrupts the power tailgate functionality. Understanding its location and role helps technicians effectively pinpoint and address issues related to power tailgate operations. Ensuring that all interconnections between components are intact is crucial for diagnosing and correcting faults. The root causes of DTC B1352 can be traced to several factors. Primarily, an internal error in the power tailgate control unit may signal a malfunctioning EEPROM. This could indicate corruption of stored data or failure of the memory chip. Additionally, loose connections can cause intermittent communication failure, leading to errors being displayed. Poor electrical contact at the connectors associated with the control unit could also contribute to the diagnostic trouble code being triggered. It's pivotal to comprehensively evaluate these potential causes during troubleshooting to ensure no external factors inhibit the control unit's performance. Conducting thorough checks of the electrical systems can prevent unnecessary replacements and aid in efficient repairs. Symptoms associated with DTC B1352 often involve noticeable issues with the tailgate functionality. Users may experience malfunctions, such as failure to open or close the tailgate using the power switch, leading to reliance on manual operation. Intermittent operation could occur, where the tailgate may function at times but fail at others, causing frustration for the user. The presence of error codes is a definitive sign that the control unit is experiencing internal errors, which is indicated by DTC B1352. Customers may report inconsistent responses when attempting to use the power tailgate feature, emphasizing the importance of swift diagnosis and rectification to restore functionality. Thoroughly understanding these symptoms allows technicians to trace back to underlying causes more effectively. The first step in addressing DTC B1352 is to turn the ignition switch to the lock position, which signifies that all power to the vehicle's systems should be turned off. This is crucial for safety reasons, as it ensures no electrical current is present while troubleshooting. It is an essential preliminary action before proceeding with any further disassembly or diagnosis. Ensuring that the vehicle is secured in this manner prevents accidental activation of the power tailgate and protects both the technician and the vehicle from electrical hazards. Following this step is necessary to ensure the integrity of the next stages of troubleshooting can be maintained. avoiding potential service mistakes. In the second step, the technician should remove the number B16 fuse, which is a 10 ampere fuse located in the underhood fuse relay box. This box serves as a critical component where electrical connections to various systems are organized and protected. The removal of this fuse will disconnect the power supply to the power tailgate control unit temporarily. This step is important to reset the control unit and clear temporary faults that may have been stored due to the error. It's essential to ensure that the fuse is properly identified to avoid damaging other circuits. Understanding the fuse box layout is key for any technician, as it directly relates to vehicle electrical systems. After removing the number B16 fuse, the technician must wait for a full minute. This waiting period enables the power tailgate control unit to reset and clears any temporary conditions that may have caused the DTC B1352 to trigger. It's essential for the EEPROM, which retains the program data, to be completely cleared from any faulty signals before it can resume normal operation. This reset procedure is a proactive measure to confirm if the error is persistent or a transient issue. Waiting for this duration may seem trivial, but it is a necessary step in thoroughly diagnosing system faults effectively. Resetting the control unit prepares it to relearn its operational commands once power is restored. In the fourth step, the technician should carefully reinstall the number B16 fuse back into its socket within the underhood fuse relay box. This restores power to the system after the reset period. Ensuring the connection of the fuse is secure and properly seated is crucial to prevent future electrical issues. A secure connection guarantees that the power tailgate control unit receives consistent power and that signals can be sent without interruption. This step is pivotal in confirming that any errors regarding powering the unit and operational failures are indeed resolved. It reinforces the integrity of the electrical system in the Odyssey, essential for the power tailgate's functionality. The fifth step involves manually closing the tailgate. This is critical because it ensures that the power tailgate control unit is not engaged while testing. By avoiding the use of the power switch, the technician prevents any potential conflicts between the control unit and the electrical system. Manually closing the tailgate allows the unit to enter a state that reflects typical operation without the added complexities of electrical command issues. This step also helps in diagnosing whether any physical mechanisms are involved in the malfunction. Conducting this action is an important part of preparing the system for the final diagnostic check to determine if further action is necessary. Finally, the technician will turn the ignition switch to the on position. This action is essential to power up the vehicle's electronic systems, including the power tailgate control unit, preparing it for a diagnostic check. This immediate readiness allows for the collection of real-time data about the component's current statuses and any remaining error codes. Once the ignition is activated, the technician should utilize a Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to check for any DTCs present. This diagnostic tool provides specific error codes from the engine control unit and other systems, helping the technician to ascertain whether DTC B1352 still appears. Correct interpretation of these diagnostic results is vital, as it determines whether replacement of components is necessary or if further investigation into wiring or connections is warranted. After following the troubleshooting steps for DTC B1352 and obtaining diagnostics results, the technician must perform a final repair verification. If DTC B1352 is indicated again upon rechecking with the HDS, replacement of the power tailgate control unit is warranted. Ensuring the new unit is properly installed and calibrated is essential for the power tailgate function upon replacement. It's also necessary to reconnect all wiring harnesses and connectors securely, as loose connections might trigger the same issues again. Following installation, thorough testing of the tailgate operations is essential, conducting both manual and power switch operations to confirm that the tailgate operates as intended. This final verification assures the technician that the repair has fully resolved the issues present. Preventive maintenance is crucial for ensuring the longevity of the power tailgate operation in the Honda Odyssey. One critical aspect is the regular inspection of electrical connections to the power tailgate control unit. Checking for any signs of corrosion, loose connections, or wear can preemptively address potential future failures. Keeping components clean from dust and debris will further aid in maintaining operational integrity. Ensuring that the physical mechanisms of the tailgate function smoothly will provide reliability over time. Regular maintenance and preemptive checks can help prevent issues that cause error codes like DTC B1352, saving time and reducing repair costs for consumers. In conclusion, DTC B1352 signifies an internal error within the power tailgate control unit of the 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey. Understanding the role and operation of the EEPROM is crucial to diagnosing and rectifying the issue. Following the structured troubleshooting steps ensures a comprehensive approach to resolving the diagnostic trouble code. Whether it results in replacing the control unit or merely correcting loose connections, accurate interpretation of DTC and its symptoms is vital. Preventive maintenance through regular inspections can mitigate future issues by helping maintain the reliability of the tailgate system. It is important to aid customers with both service and educational information to ensure their power tailgates remain effective for years. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.